Hi there, fellow adventure seekers. Michael here, and today we're going to be protecting the tires from UV rays. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Ring that notification bell right next to it so you'll know when we have new content. And if you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment and note below. Let us know what you think about it. So, why should we cover up our tires? Well, it's very simple. UV can really destroy a tire, especially RV tires. If you're not using them that much, they just sit there, so the oils and everything aren't getting exercised well within the tires, so they'll start cracking really quick. That's why most RV tires actually wear out from age versus tread wear. Now, for full-time RVers, that may not necessarily be the case, but for most of the weekend warriors out there, they're probably changing their tires every 4 to 5 years because of cracks and age more than tire wear. So Sunguard has put out a great product using that innovative mesh material they have. It provides 94% UV blocking, and it also covers the entire wheel well. Doesn't touch the tire at all. And why is that important? Well, that's important because coming off the road, your tires are going to be dirty. Inside the tire where you can't see and outside where you can see is going to be dirty. A lot of tire covers, you got to put a cord or something over the tire, so you're getting dirt and grime and stuff all over you, and you're getting them all over the covers as well. So when you go to put them away, you're just getting dirt everywhere. So these covers never touch the tire, so it keeps them nice and clean. They come in 5 different colors and 4 different ways to connect. Now, we're going to be using Velcro. If you'll notice, when we start installing them, we also have the snaps. We're using Velcro simply because it's the quickest way to go, and it'll also help us make these portable. So if we get rid of this rig, we can take them with us to the next one. We do have the snaps just in case we decide to keep this one a little while longer, but for portability's sake, Velcro's the way to go. Again, like I said, it comes in 5 different colors, so if you're getting the windshield cover, the wiper cover, the window covers, and the mirror covers from Sunguard, you can either match them all or mix and match the colors. Your choice. And buying these tire covers online is pretty easy. You just put in the quantity you want. You can buy as little as 1 and as many as, I don't know, 1 million. Buy whatever you want. The other nice thing too about having the tire cover not touching the tire, it allows that tire to breathe. And especially if you've come off the road, that tire's hot, and it allows air to circulate, and then it just allows that tire to breathe and cool down naturally. So there's a lot of advantages to having an off the tire cover versus one that's mounted right on the tire. So how easy is it to install these tire covers? Well, I'm not going to tell you, but with the help of my good friend Ricky from RV Underway, we are going to install those covers right now. Let's get on it. All right, so now we are at the RV. We're going to get this thing installed. And to show you how quick we're going to do this, we're actually going to install these while the rain is chasing us, because it's getting ready to rain here. So as promised earlier, there's my good friend Ricky from RV Underway, and we're going to be installing this product right here. Now, it's got 3 pieces of Velcro. The only thing you really need to worry about is if you have a lot of wax on here, then that Velcro may not stick very well. So if you do, get some cotton pads or something to get the wax off. And those Velcro pads, if you decide you don't want them anymore, they're easy to take off. You just spray a whole lot of WD-40 on them and they'll come right off, won't harm your paint or nothing. So you ready, Ricky?
I'm ready.
All right, you ready? All right, let's do this.
All right.
So the Velcro is already on there, both sides. All we got to do is peel this off once we figure out where we want it exactly. And I would recommend you do this however you want, but there's a piece of Velcro right here in the middle. I would put that over your tire, and that way you know you got a good center line, and then you're good to go. And that looks like we're about right in the center. That's on there good. Do the other 2 ends, and we're done. I'm letting him put that end on first. That way if there's any slack, I can go ahead and pull it out this way. And we've got it nice and even and level. And that's it. One done, 3 more to go. Now this got a little pocket right here. You can either put a piece of metal in this to help hold it down in windy conditions, or you can put a piece of string through there, tie it around your tires. Whatever you want to do, get creative with it.
I think what we're going to do is a piece of 3/4 inch PVC capped on both ends would be just enough weight to hold it down along the ground.
Yeah.
The one reason you want to have your tires shielded, obviously, is for ultraviolet damage to the wheel itself, the tire rubber. And all you need to do in order to install them is be able to locate your tires. Once you can locate your tires, you contact the company. They're going to ask you to measure, give them the dimensions, and they'll send it pre-made. And it's got a bright orange storage bag. You're not going to lose it.
Yep. And if you can't locate the tires on your RV,
you don't need these.
You don't need them. Yeah, you might have a boat. Go out in the yard and see what you got.
But there it is.
I don't think we could get any easier than that.
Very easy.
All right, thank you, my friend, for the install help.
You're welcome.
You can do this by yourself. I just chose to do it because, well, my good friend Ricky's here. See, that was pretty easy. We've got the tire covers installed, really easy to take off, and like we talked about in the video, you've got that pouch in the bottom of the covers where you can either put something heavy in there to weight them down, or you can run a string through that and actually tie a string around a tire or whatever you want to do. And that again keeps the tire cover from flapping around too much, and it also helps keep it, you know, covering the sun from the tire. So what do you guys think? If you have any questions about this product, please be sure to leave us a note in the comments below and we'll get you an answer. If we don't know, we'll reach out to Sunguard on your behalf and we'll get that answer for you. Folks at Sunguard are great people, and I really appreciate them providing this product to us to evaluate. And I'll tell you, it's nice. That material is great because it's not stamped. In other words, they don't have a flat sheet of paper or a flat sheet of fabric and they just stamp the holes in it. Those holes are actually made in the weaving process. So that makes it super strong and durable, yet easy to use. So I highly recommend Sunguard. Check them out at rvtoystore.com. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Appreciate all the support you've given this channel. Remember, all the funds we raise here, donate them to a small local veterans charity, and it could be a small local veterans charity near you. And if you'd like to help us help these small local veterans charities, please consider becoming a Patreon or YouTube member, and links to both of those are in the description of this video right down below. And again, if you haven't already done it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you'll know when we have new content coming out, and like this video and share it out with a friend who may be looking for tire covers. You'll do them a big favor. Thank you so much for watching, and may your next journey be an epic adventure. Bye.